Hello, I'm Dr. Spocter. I'm a neurobiologist, which means I study the brain.
Brains allow us to do everything we do.
I live in Des Moines, Iowa, and work at Des Moines University, where I explore the brains of many different types of animals. I am fascinated by cetaceans.
Whales, dolphins, and porpoises are cetaceans.
Just like us, cetaceans are mammals. Cetaceans have large brains and live in groups called pods. They can use tools, and they can also work together in a team to find food. I have been interested in the parts of the cetacean brain that help them sleep and also help them find their way around their surroundings. During some times of the year, the waters off of Baja California in the country of Mexico has one of the highest diversity of cetaceans found anywhere in the world.
High diversity means many different kinds of something.
Cetaceans gather in the waters off of Baja because the water has lots of food, and the bays provide a perfect place for whales to give birth. I am interested in how many different kinds of whales and dolphins there are in the waters around this area, because this would help me better understand how the different cetacean species are finding their ways to Baja.
Dr. Spocter has a hypothesis.
My hypothesis is that there will be 5 to 6 different species in the waters along the coast of Baja. My hypothesis is true. There is a high level of cetacean diversity, which tells us these waters are important for the survival of many species and an important place to preserve. As you can see, I'm too busy trying to understand what parts make up the dolphin brain to do the biodiversity survey myself. So I've asked my good friends Beth and Curtis to go to Baja and test my hypothesis.
A hypothesis is an idea you can test.
I would also like to know the relative abundance of whales and dolphins in the waters off of Baja. Relative abundance is just a fancy way of saying how common or rare one thing is compared to another in an area. Depending on what Curtis and Beth discover, I may be able to publish their findings so scientists and others will know more about cetacean diversity along the coast of Baja. Thank you for visiting with me.
Thanks, Dr. Spocter. Now we have our hypothesis.
Yeah, what an amazing adventure it's going to be.
Baja, here we come.